Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Brahmanand, and today I will explain about most important concept, the real-time example of how to write CSS path, because it is always suggested to go for CSS path rather than X path. And the reason behind is that the CSS path is optimized and it is sigil implemented on that, and it is available to all across the browser. And if you use XPath, it is not implemented in IE, so that your test will be really slow in IE. So today I will explain about how to write better and optimized CSS, and I saw many of automation engineer they facing these challenges. So let's start on this. So here is my Firebug, and I installed Firepath is add-on, and I will separate it out, and you will see the DOM structure how it is. And this is the body, and this is the grandparent, and this is two grandparent and three parent, and all these things in that div paragraph. And today I will cover how to write CSS path. If you want to select by ID, if you select by ID, or if you want to select all star, everything it will come. And if you want to select who having the ID as attribute, it will give who having ID attribute. And if you want to have my ID equal is child, if ID means has, and I want to give child, so you will get two element. If I want to select by class, then I have to give dot mark and grandparent, so it will select the element which having the class as GP, and it is denoted as dot mark. Okay, then that is simple thing. For example, if you have other attribute, let's say here src equal http localhost. Okay, let it be like this. So if I have the custom property, then how you select by custom property? You have to give star every element where the custom property having src. src equal to oh sorry guys, I didn't refresh it, it didn't appear. Okay, then we have to go by any element, go src, it will come as the it will select that element which having the property src. So now what we'll do, let's select ID which is unique, so we will change here ID equal, let's take, not here, here already ID is there, so let's take here ID equal to id. So here what will do, here id, it will select all who having the id property, then equal to its value id. It will again need to refresh it. So you will get select on like this. So this is the common thing. Now I will explain about important thing. Let's take our grandparent class gp grandparent. It will select, I want to second one. How do I select second one? Here is, we need to add pseudo selector. The pseudo selector is nth hyphen child, child child. It will start from 0. It will that is why we want second one. Okay, it will start from 1, then we want second one. Okay, we want second one, we got second one. Then I need to get it immediate child. To get immediate child, we need to put this symbol, and we need, what are the things? If you want to all, it will give all child. If you want to only div, then we will get only div, which is all are div. That is why we are getting. If you give anything, it won't come. Okay, I selected all. From that I want to select second one. Okay, nth child. From that I want to second one. I selected, and in that I want to select all. Okay, now here my question is, if I want to select only first one, so as you know, nth, or you can give directly first child, it will give first. If you want to similarly last, you will get also last. Okay, for example, if you want to nth child, you can get 1, 2, 3, 4, you can get like this. So here is one trick. So here, if you want to say in fourth element there is p, let's say p, it will select. If you give here div, it won't work, because in fourth position the div is not there. If you give p, it will come. So here is the important catch here is that here I want to select fourth element, which is p. If I want to make it reverse, I want second element, I want p which is second, I want p which is second, not second which is p. I want p which is second, not second which is p, p which is second. So if you want to p, if you want to second which is p, then we have to use like this. We have to get the select second element and which is p. If you want to select second p, then we have to use nth of type, then you will get second p. This is first one, first p, this is second p. This is the catch here. Similarly, first of type we can do fast, Frist. We have to remove this. Then fast of type, it will select P which is fast, not fast which is P. It is the P which is fast. Okay, you got. Now the difference between here, I saw this symbol, this arrow symbol will tell us which immediate child. So if I don't give arrow, if I give space, then it will give all the small element from grandparent, all the child, grandchild. So all the recursive tags it will give if you give space. In jQuery it is like find is equivalent to this. If you give children, equivalent to space. Okay. Okay, so space. Now what I will do, now you understood. Okay, now go to directly element. Now I selected, let's select first element, fast child, first one is selected, so I want to come next. So for that I need to give plus, and which is div, it will come next. Okay, on that I selected every its children, its own children, and from that I selected again first child. First one is selected. If I want to give plus and div, it will select brother one. So if I want to select all brother, then I need to give tilde symbol and give div. It will give all the following children, all the following, sorry, not all the following brothers. If I give space or star also, it will select the same thing. Okay, good. So this is all about the things. And next CSS, how do you know, is that you can use some regular expression in CSS selector. Now let's go to the, I will use some trick here. I use, let's say this is the P class which having dot P. Okay, class having P. Good. I want second one and child 2. Okay, then I want ID having para. ID having para. Okay, this is the selected, and from that we need to give space, and we need to select all the things, space, has, or else we can give star who having id. You will get select all the things, and from that you will want to select only having para. You got selected. So what you will do is, if you want to select all the child who is having there is no common, let's put some common. Okay, forget about that. Let's brand new. You take brand new, select who having id. You selected all the id. So now I want is it any property taking? No. Okay, id, class, everything. Okay, there is no common. Okay, let's take class, set. Here you put body so that those things will not come. Okay, got. Here are the class. So I want class which started with P. The symbol is like this, begin with. So those classes started with P. Okay, which end with P? This is dollar symbol, like our regular expression. Those tags or those elements end with P, which contain G. Contain means star. Contain, let's say G. Obviously it will select grandparent. It contains G. So you understood how to play with property and regular expression, and how to select children's and all the immediate child and all the children's, and how to get next element, and how to get brothers, all following brothers or siblings, and let's see if any other left. From slab, I told you nth child, nth of type you understood. Has means id, nth child 4. I explained you this is nothing but beginning, this is nothing but ending, this is nothing but contain, and this is inner text. It contain means it is inner text, like our in XPath we having contents. Good. So I will now give some trick. In that trick you will find, so this is in XPath and this is in CSS like this, and this is in XPath all children. In CSS it is just a space, and at the rate property name, here it is here we will write at the rate property name equal to, like this we are doing, but in CSS it is just simply property equal to value. And what else? Okay, it is simply these things. And I told you plus means next brother, contents type equal to button, and okay, good. Thank you guys, hope you have enjoyed the video. If you like, you can subscribe my channel. Until then, bye bye.